Traditionally, wood-cutting tools like saws, hand drills, planks, chisels, and knives have been utilized, while advanced craftsmen have turned to laser machines for more intricate tasks. Now, a groundbreaking alternative has emerged, the CNC profile cutting machine by MASLOW. This innovative device is capable of handling various materials such as solid wood, veneer, chipboard, plywood, laminate, and parquet. Notably, it boasts a cutting accuracy of 0.4 millimeters, comprising 4 main elements, a side drill, movable body weights, and a chain gear system. This machine navigates the working surface by adjusting the length of its chains. With a maximum working area of 120 by 240 centimeters and a maximum cutting speed of 120 centimeters per minute, depending on material hardness. The MASLOW CNC machine is available for purchase at $500. The use of a gas burner in construction and repair sites involving bitumen and concrete mixtures necessitates specialized equipment for heating. The most straightforward and accessible option is gas burners, using natural gas or liquefied hydrocarbon gases as fuel, as implied by their name. These burners generate sufficient heat to warm bitumen, making it adhesive. However, the gas burner can be termed a versatile tool, utilized in situations requiring high temperatures on various surfaces, such as essential roofing tasks during waterproofing installations. It also handles heating rolled roofing material impregnated with petroleum bitumens. The flame temperature in a gas burner depends on the fuel composition and surrounding conditions, ranging between 1500 to 2000 degrees Celsius. Lumberjack tenon cutters are an evolution of the ancient method of using mortise and tenon joints in wooden construction. These cutters, manufactured by Lumberjack, streamline the process by shaping wood in swiftly deformed tenons. With spinning drill bits, these tools can craft tenons in mere minutes. Lumberjack offers various series, a standard set with 3 nozzles of 2.5, 4, and 5 centimeters, and a production series featuring 6 models ranging from 2.5 to 7.5 centimeters in cutting diameter. Each cutter, priced between $120 to $425, provides options for diverse shapes to suit a wide array of finished spikes or tenons. Some tools, like the W3000 or W2000 by the Swedish company Seaweed, qualify as heating devices without relying on direct fire. These construction heat guns, similar to familiar household models, blow heated air, reaching temperatures from a minimum of 100 degrees Celsius to a maximum of 600 degrees Celsius. The airflow varies based on the model, with the W2000 delivering 270 liters of air per minute, and both W3000 versions surpassing that at 370 liters per minute. Highly versatile, these heat guns find application in tasks like paint, wallpaper removal, metal soldering, and wood treatment, aiding in drying paint and plaster, and even increasing surface temperature for roofing material adherence. Beyond construction, they serve household purposes such as removing ice from cars or defrosting frozen locks. The PipeCut 170 from Finnish company, Exact Tools revolutionizes cutting high-hardness materials with precision and speed. Capable of handling metal pipes up to 6 millimeters thick and plastic pipes up to 14 millimeters thick, this cutter boasts a rapid blade rotation of 4,000 revolutions per minute. It effortlessly tackles various metals like acid-resistant steel, stainless steel, cast iron, aluminum, and copper. What sets it apart is its portability and compactness, running on rechargeable batteries and eliminating the need for wires or power outlets. Weighing 5.7 kilograms and sporting a 140mm blade diameter, it is available for purchase starting at $1,270. One of the primary demands for complex tools in today's high-tech era is multifunctionality. Professionals prefer tools that can handle a wide range of tasks without cluttering their workspace. The S40 Ultras from Dremel, equipped with 4 interchangeable discs, exemplifies this versatility. These disc-based mini-saws not only cut but also efficiently sand surfaces, removing imperfections, rust, paint, and construction materials. When it comes to cutting, the S40 Ultras effortlessly handles various materials, from wood to metal reinforcements. A demonstration video showcases how effortlessly the saw cuts through mortar bonding ceramic tiles. Moreover, the entire flooring replacement process is achieved using this single tool, the S40 Ultras. Rescue services face unpredictable situations, requiring a diverse toolkit. TNT Rescue Systems unveiled the Storm series last year, showcased in a video demonstrating car body repairs. This collection features expanders to widen cracks, bear loads, manipulate material, and clear debris. Pliers, shears, and cutter scissors are tailored for metal and pipe cutting, even slicing through steel fittings with some powerful enough for lifting and securing loads swiftly. For instance, the cutter can sever a car's front pillar in 10 seconds. Hydraulic wedges apply extreme pressure, useful for pressing down steel doors or expanding gaps. Each tool in this series costs around $10,000. When discussing requirements for construction tools, compactness is crucial. The smaller the equipment, the easier it is to handle, fitting into tight spaces and usually being lightweight. One such tool that embodies these traits is the BOSCH IXO, a cordless screwdriver. This tool stands out not only for its compactness but also for its cordless nature, granting it mobility. The BOSCH IXO features an ergonomic design, ensuring comfortable usage, and includes LED lighting, an advantage when working in low-light areas where screws often need fastening. The manufacturer has also provided additional attachments for tasks in challenging areas like gaps, joints, and corners. Moreover, a couple of attachments convert the screwdriver into a cutting tool or a spice grinder. With an idle rotation speed of 215 revolutions per minute and a 3-hour charging time, this device weighs just 300 grams. The NARGESA PP200, a hydraulic bending press for cold forging, manufactured by the Spanish company NARGESA, excels in bending, cutting, folding, and shaping cold workpieces. This model not only bends but also stretches and compresses various metal types. Vital in factories producing pipes, sheet metal profiles, and rods, the PP200 exerts a force of 20 tons on workpieces. Notably, unlike traditional strip steel bending machines, this press allows complete bending of parts and metal elements without limitations. The advantage lies in its ability to combine roll forging with hot forging machines, a capability absent in many other machines. It comes equipped with a 4-mold bending die, and additional molds are available for purchase, significantly broadening its operational capabilities. The price of the NARGESA PP200 stands at $11,000. MAXXHEAT is another versatile tool, this time from the Dutch company BATAVIA. At first glance, it may seem bulky and complex, yet this characteristic is outweighed by its advantages. Primarily, MAXXHEAT functions as a weed remover and can tackle various types of vegetation. In a different mode, it transforms into a construction heat gun, as mentioned earlier. Capable of delivering an airflow of 500 liters per minute, it's designed to be multifunctional for household use. Among its interesting features, MAXXHEAT excels at lighting barbecues, and its telescopic handle enhances usability in various scenarios. The maximum temperature it can reach is 600 degrees Celsius, catering to a range of tasks and situations. Workers reliant on efficient tools for their daily tasks understand the value of high-tech instruments that enhance speed and productivity on construction sites. One such example is HILTI screwdrivers with magazine attachments. HILTI, based in Liechtenstein, offers 2 models, the SDM1 and the SDM2. The former is suitable for screws ranging from 25 to 35 millimeters, while the latter handles larger screws from 25 to 51 millimeters, with both holding up to 25 screws. Primarily used for internal finishing work, These tools fasten plasterboards, wooden panels, and external covering sheets. The lightweight and compact magazines minimize strain on workers' hands while increasing work speed. The seamless transition from magazine to single-screw mode with a simple movement adds to its convenience. The price of this tool stands at $99. The carbide blades you see on the screen represent just the working part of the tool, which can only be extracted when used in conjunction with a power setup. Nonetheless, the Diablo Company's carbide blades boast exceptional operational characteristics. They come in various sizes, ranging from 10 to 30 centimeters, all intended for handling thick metal. In mere seconds, these blades can cut through pipes, including cast iron, angles, profiles, and items made from high-strength alloys and stainless steel, with a thickness ranging from 5 to 14 millimeters.